Tonight's homework is all about calculating sample spaces and applying the fundamental counting principle. We know that the definition for a probability is the ratio of favorable outcomes to total possible outcomes. So in some situations you need to be able to figure out or need some way to figure out the total number of possible outcomes. For example, in problem letter U, license plates in Toontown consist of three letters followed by a digit from 1 to 9, such as AAB1. How many different license plates are possible? So the fundamental counting principle tells us that the total number of possible outcomes is the product of the number of potential outcomes for each different event. So the first thing we need to consider is how many potential outcomes are there for this first character. And since it's a letter, there would be 26 possible letters that we could choose. The next space on the license plate, we also have 26 choices. The next space is another letter, so also 26 choices. And then the next is a digit from 1 through 9, so you figure out what that... there's really no reason for a pause on this one the more I think about it. I mean, digit from 1 through 9, that's just 9 possible choices. So I guess the thing I want to say about this, though, is there will be some situations where, let's say this exact same scenario, but you can't repeat a letter. So you would have 26 choices for the first letter, but then you would only have 25 choices for the second letter because you've already used one of the letters. So you have to consider the situation carefully, but based on how it's written. 26 times 26 times 26 times 9 is 158,184. And so you would put a U above that value, which appears to occur here twice on this puzzle. Okay, I hope that helped with the homework. I'll see you tomorrow.